Hey guys, it's Victor, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get automatic roles on your Discord server using Dynobot. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is come here to dyno.gg, click on the top right, add to server. For mine it's already automatically logged in, but for you might have to just put in your Discord password and username, and then just select the server that you want the bot on. Dyno's a multi-purpose bot. It can do tons of different things, and this is one of the things it's known for as well. Go through the caption. Now that you're here, you're going to want to go onto your Discord server and confirm that Dynobot is online and in your server. Mine is working, so I'm going to go back to my Dynobot dashboard and go down to the left to modules. Now that you're in modules, you're going to want to go to auto roles and go to settings. You're going to want to select the role that you want to automatically give people as soon as they join your server, or you can set it to be after a period of time of being in your server. I'm just going to give them the blue role, which is a role that has no permissions on my server, and I'm going to say that after 1 minute they get the role. So if you've been in the server for 1 minute, you automatically get the blue role using Dynobot. You're going to click add. And let's say I wanted to do for long-time members of 10 minutes, they get the red role. So we're going to click add as well. And there you go. We now have auto roles set up with Dynobot. Now there's tons of other different things you can do with Dynobot. If you want me to make a tutorial on any of those, let me know in the comments below. And if this worked for you and you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.